look what we have here. Wow. 1987 Buick GNX. And this is a nice one, folks. Number 151 of 547 built. And yes, if you're familiar with that 151 number of GNXs, this would have been the one that Charlie Sheen had back in the late 90s. Numbers matching. Engine, tranny. Of course, 3.8 liter. Turbocharged and an intercooled V6. 276 horse. But the torque of these cars, 360 pound-feet of torque. Wow. Made for, what was it, 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds. Let's go ahead and check out this front grille. You can see the condition of the filler panel here. You know what kind of condition they get in if they sit outside and age at all. This car has obviously been stored indoors, well taken care of. Original miles, clean Carfax. We'll get around to the driver's side. I'll show you a little over 16,000, I believe it is, miles. Now, check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the stamping on the engine, the tranny, the underside, the interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see the condition of the paint on this car. Beautiful. Riding on the GNX wheels. BF Goodrich radial tires, and just look at the reflection off the side of that car. Haven't really came across much many nicks, dings, or scratches on it. Stock interior, unmolested car. Of course, that 3.8 liter is paired up with an automatic transmission. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate and call in or email. Take a look at the rear filler panels. You're going to see that those have a nice shine to them also. Not cracked, aged, brittle by any means. Once again, the still pictures so you can see the undersides, interior, inside and out, top to bottom. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions. It'll take you right there. I was told that the GNX name came from when they took the Grand National and specially prepared it, and it stood for Grand National Experiment. And of course, that turned out 547 of these Buicks. Look at that reflection all the way to the front door. Wow. All right, let's go ahead and take a peek at the interior of this. Give you the exact miles. Of course, nice creature comforts, power windows, power locks, tilt cruise, bucket seats, center console, power seat on the driver's side over here. And yes, that is in working order. Take a look at the seat material, the condition of the fabric. This one will not disappoint, folks. Headliner, also all in nice shape. Here's your exact miles. A little over 16,000, 16,823. And let's go ahead and fire this up. We're gonna listen to it run, check out the engine bay. Stock radio, AM, FM cassette with equalizer. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. And look at the dash. There would be your sequential number, 151. Dash also in nice shape. And again, tell this car has been stored indoors, well taken care of. Started out in life in California. And what you'd expect to hear out of an 87 GNX. Nice sounding car. Alright, I'm going to pause this 1 second. I want to pop that hood, let you check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here you go. First of all, check out the hood liner. You can tell this thing hasn't been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Doesn't surprise me with one of these. AC has been converted. Tell by the fittings. There's that GNX engine. Well maintained. Driven periodically in the summers. Very cool car, and it can be yours. 1987 Buick GNX, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles, a little over 16,000 on it. Number 151. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.